Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete your YouTube channel without deleting your Google account. So let's get started. So if you only want to delete your YouTube channel but you don't want to delete your Google account in process of deleting your YouTube channel, so to do that what you have to do is you just have to open up your Gmail application. After opening up your Gmail application, now what you can do is just tap on your profile icon which is on the top right, and then select the email address which you want to delete your YouTube account from. So just select an email address which you have the YouTube account, and after selecting the email address, now what you can do is just simply tap on manage your Google account, which you can find below that email address in the top. After tapping on that, now what you can do is just select this third option, which is data and privacy. After tapping on data and privacy, just scroll down until you find this option, which is apps and services. So here you can find apps and services. Now after coming up to this section, just tap on it. Then now you have to tap on delete a service. After tapping on delete a service, just tap on the first option, which is delete a Google service. And here you can find your following services. So now you want to delete your YouTube channel, right? So now you will find a pin icon beside your YouTube. What you can do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you have to select this second option, which is I want to permanently delete my content. Just tap on it and then select the following options and then tap on delete my content. And after tapping on delete my content, what you can do is just simply type in the email address of your account. So here you can find the following email address. You just have to confirm it by again typing in your email address and then tap on delete my content. And after tapping on delete my content, you will successfully delete your YouTube channel. So your YouTube channel will not be deleted right away. You just have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and after waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, your YouTube channel will be successfully deleted. So just type in your email address and confirm your email address, then tap on delete my content, and that will delete your account. So that's it guys. This is how to delete your YouTube channel without deleting your Google account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.